said go Cinderella, go Cinderella. Orgasm blush, lipstick, nigga filler. Devil in a tight dress, girl, you a killer. And ain't nobody realer, and ain't nobody realer.
Dropping famine, natural disasters. My baby has been around for me. Kingdoms be falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it.
Oh my God,
You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Who would have thought I met you? Who would have thought I met you?
pause.
And when we make love, your presence can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us. Everything I do between those eyes.
Lord, I don't even know what to say. I'm in shambles. I'm not in shambles, but I'm in shambles. So, last night was the first official night. I probably just have Snapchat videos of how my outfit looks, but otherwise, it's no bueno. So, today is Saturday. I don't know what we're going to do today, and I don't know if I'm going to film it. I'm being so honest. This trip just kind of feels like one of the trips where I should not be recording. I just want to be, which is, oh my god, how do people vlog? I just want to be. One thing I will, okay, let me try and recap my nights. Stop being lame. Okay, so we got here 3 o'clock. It is the end of September and it is the hub. Okay, the lobby was too much, but it doesn't look as bad now. I don't know if it's because it's so early in the morning, but it doesn't look as full as it did. You know, because people disperse. It's a decent sized property. And then, alright, so we checked in and then we ate the buffet. Had this really weird pasta, like pasta carbonara, which was like Alfredo with bacon, which was weird. I've never seen that in my life. But you know, free food is time to try out weird shit. And the lasagna tasted terrible. Then we came back to the room, showered, and then they had this like outside live show thing going on, and that was a vibe. The DJ, big up DJ Squidward, and I forgot what the other one's name. Came back and slept, and the beds. I'm sorry. I'm gonna try to cut y'all some slack because this is a newly renovated hotel, which by the way, it's very impressive because knowing what it used to look like before, the rooms look amazing, like amazing. But beds are really tough and it was really hard to get a good sleep. But that's fine. Who needs sleep anyways? So yeah, I've now gotten ready. I just have this on, I don't know why. It's my hoodie and I have my swimsuit and stuff underneath this and Crocs because you never know. You never know. And so yes, that is my update. I'm waiting on the rest of my friends to wake up so that we can go and get something to eat and start the day. B, E, F, G, I.
Or that you like it? Tell me